20 minutes? Absolutely. I've got naan pizza with Tuscan chickpea salad coming right up. Sound good? Cool, we'll see you then. All right. I love entertaining, and thank goodness I do, because when my friends swing by for an impromptu meal, I like to have easy options ready to go. The great thing about naan pizza is it's super simple, and I can customize based on who likes what. For my veggie friends, no problem. Meat lovers, I got you too. So let's start with the naan and spread on one of my favorites, Summer Fresh roasted red pepper hummus. Now this stuff really steps up our naan pizza game immediately. And you know, who doesn't like a cheesy pizza, right? So I'm going extra on the mozzarella. Now I'm gonna add some prosciutto. But of course, you know, you can add salami or pepperoni. All that stuff is delicious. Okay, now for this one, I'm gonna start with Summer Fresh artichoke and Asiago dip. If you've never had it, trust me, it will change your life. All right, now I'm gonna add some shredded Asiago and mozzarella cheese. You can never really have too much cheese, right? Pop these into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Hot out of the oven, smells so good. All right, now you can top this one off with some Summer Fresh bruschetta and, of course, some fresh basil. And for this one, let's add some arugula and, of course, balsamic glaze. Finally, let's finish this last-minute meal with some fresh Tuscan chickpea salad. So enjoy with Summer Fresh. For this recipe idea and more, visit summerfresh.com.